Today's wallet is part of our top 10 leather makers on Etsy, and we have another hidden gem from John Brandon called the Flap Wallet. So let's get into it. Now I wanted a color that was stunning, and I believe he did it with this blue color here. Notice that this is one piece of leather. Comes, wraps down, wraps up. I really like the simplicity of this. Let's look at the sewing really quick. Nicely done. Reinforced where necessary. And John's out of Columbus, Ohio. Yeah, the dye job on this is really nice. It's got some firmness to it, which is great for, you know, being able to carry cards and things. It's not a bad thing. Well, got a nice crease element in here. That takes work. That doesn't come for free. All right, I like this. Now to the feature review of the John Brandon Flap Wallet. On the exterior, we have the flap. This is what makes the Flap Wallet. And this is for cash. You can fold it once, and you can get up to 10 notes in here, or you can have additional cards. And that would be a quick access here if you want to have some cash, maybe one card in here. If we go to the interior, this is where we have the main card slot, and you can get up to 10 cards in here as well. The way this is designed is it provides capacity. You'll notice that it doesn't just sit really, really tight. And so with that, we have a lot of capability between cash and cards. And that is a quick review of the features of the John Brandon Flap Wallet. Now onto the card and cash insertion test. Notice I got 7 slips of cash in there, 6 cards, and of course it didn't fit the larger, the taller currencies. You could do it, it just kind of sticks out a bit. Minimalist carry is probably 4 cards reasonable. I say 6, and they said, you know, up to 10 cards I think is pretty good, but they don't make a recommendation on that. I just brought that up. But I was able to put 6 in here without a problem. I think I could probably get a few more cards in there, not a big deal. Now this is designed and made in the United States. This is a full grain veg tan, which starts with, you know, a little bit of testing on that. Let me just make sure. Oh yeah, that's really good. Absolutely amazing. Uses an Irish linen stitch cord for sewing, which is also done by hand, and beeswax for burnishing. The patina on this will become amazing as it develops over time and just begins to form to your body. You can see it, as I mentioned earlier, this little crease right here. That is just attention to detail you don't always see, but when you do, again, that is done by hand, and that is just a demonstration of how he excels at putting great details into and attention to detail into his work. You can add custom stamping to this when you make an order. He's happy to do that. Now the price on this is $43. I really like the size of this wallet. It really looks smaller than its ability to accommodate cash folded once. It really is simple, and if you can see how it just sits in my hand, it's very well sized. You know, in order to get cash in there once, you think that that's not a big deal. It is, and the ability to do that well in this case and hold cash without it falling out is just a testament to the measurements and testing on this particular wallet. You just don't slap something together like this. I was also surprised at how many cards I got into the wallet, and as I was alluding to, this is due to it being thinner, the leather being cut a little thinner, but still right-sized cut on the leather, so it provides a little more capability for cards. If you had a heavier weight leather in here, it would feel very, very bulky, but this one is not. Now it measures 4 by 3.5 by 0.2, and it weighs 27 grams. John has an excellent store on Etsy. He comes from an Irish saddle and harness making family, so leatherworking really is in his veins. The saddlery shop actually is still in County Limerick and is designated a historical building. So he has a lot of ancestors and, you know, a lot of people have done this in the past. His customers talk very highly of his creations, and his communication support is really done well. And he sells many other products that all have very unique designs to them, application of his skill, and really the expected quality that you know you're going to get. So now on to the final score. For quality of 5, price of 3, features of 3, usability of 4, the way the leather is cut provides excellent access and capacity, and perception of 4. John runs a wonderful store which really excels at customer service, and that gives us a final score of 40 out of 50. Thanks for joining us. Look at the other videos that are associated with our top 10 Etsy makers of 2021, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. We'll see you in the next review. Bye.